I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody.
No trespassing. Damn, can't even see houses there. Look at that, that's so cute. It's like, what do you call that building? Like in a military thing. The house. You know, is it a house? Like it's a bank? Chuchus in the poo-poos. Oh, this is a trash guy, right? Oh, no? Oh, okay. Factor. It's a cute good house in here. Oh, yeah, this is what I see. It's like there's a small lake in here. Ah. There's fish in there? No? That's where the deer goes? Ah, I see.
Damn, it's getting cold out here too. Can you feel that?
See,
Hey,
gas station, nobody's in
I might
here.
have to get my jacket.
You don't have jacket here. Oh,
Yeah, I do.
it's not like Philippines.
there.
Yeah, I see. It's not like Philippines. There's lots of kuyas and ates. And now Pupu Head's doing it by himself. Chop chop in a corazon, cho. Let's see how much is it. The Pupu Heads is freezing. It's $70 for 19 gallons. Convert that to liters and peso. $70 is 4,000 pesos. Oh no, not by 59. It's 59 right now. See that? Gas with a view. Ooh. Let's find if there's coffee.
What do we got?
Everything is big in here.
Here.
Are you sure you're not?
Cappuccino. Chocolate cappuccino or vanilla? We want vanilla.
Okay,
'Cause that's
vanilla
the
ka.
one-
Yeah.
Go.
We don't need to add anything in there.
They don't
right?
really kill. I don't put a lid.
Oh, enjoy your drink. Let's play.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah. Ah. Hey! Look who is busy. Kaput. There's no sign of life. Don't. Oh, he's waiting for you. That is so cool. Look at his dog house. This is let's see. Yeah. 24 years old dog house. As he said, Dexter's and Dora's lab. What do you mean lab? Labrador? I heard that thing. This is a fancy dog house. It has that thing. What do you call those? The roof thing. Sunroof. Can you see that? It has sunroof, doors, and a huge windows here at the back. Oh, a real one. Look at that. A real windows. That's so cool. It's still okay.
When it's all
Oh, yeah, of course. It doesn't smell now.
yeah, it's starting to. Smells a little bit, but not as bad as it did.
Yeah.
Smells like wood now.
Yeah, more wood. He is now. What do you call you're doing? Staining it. It doesn't stink like yesterday. Dang.
Now, suara bagus. Very, very cool.
You're not very cool.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh,
With the mission of defeating ISIS. We were doing losing combat.
it's cool. What do you call this, Ese? Board, floor thing? Yeah, this is the floor, and this is. So it match, right? Cool. It really match though.
Suicide bomber had squeezed his way into my team and detonated the suicide vest.
And another poo-poo staining. And finally there's sun, so he's doing it outside. I saw the two deers. They were still there. Isn't it scary? Cool. Look how quick is that? Back home, they're gonna use a handsaw. This is a saw as well, the small one. This is for the other room. Is gonna finish it now. View. It is gloomy again. Dang. Oh, that's the moon. So that's how it looks like now. That's all the woods that he caught. See that? And that one. Nice. I'm just gonna change I put that too. Those. And then later, gonna put the sides in here. And it's done for this room. See, he forgot the piece of wood at the back of his car now. How many times he went back and forth to the car. Poo-poo heads. So today, this is the moldings that we bought yesterday. Trim it already. That looks so cool. And he's done. That's how it looks like now. He put moldings. Call it moldings, right? I don't know. It's not wood. It's gonna look like wood, but it's not. And he put that one on the window as well. Looks cool. And then he's gonna... What you said you're gonna do? Caulking? I think that's next. And then let it dry, and then the next day he is gonna paint this. So that's it for today. Cool, right? I like it. I mean, it's not my room, but I like it. So see ya. Okay. Is that magnet? What the hell?
Ta-da!
That's the lazy thing to open that. What do you call that?
Can.
The can. In Filipino way, you want me to show you Filipino way?
Yeah, get a knife.
I'll get a knife.
Or any color. Covers color. White.
Yeah, of course. It's too bright. Pupus in the is good. Snow pink. Yeah.
Be the same color.
Oh. Yeah. You're a poo-poo. Ah,
This is chemical.
chemical.
Yeah, so you go.
Uh-huh. Oh,
You let it sit for a while.
yeah. That's why it's kind of
You
wet.
got a carpet rake.
Oh, there's a carpet rake?
Yeah.
Oh.
That scrubs the chemical in.
Uh-huh.
And now,
How to spread it.
and I put defoam in there to keep it from foaming.
Yeah.
And then,
Now you call it shampooing.
yeah,
And then you're just gonna let it dry?
blow dry it.
Oh, blow dry it. Oh. Oh, and the dirt goes in there? Ah. That's look. Dang. That's dust only, right? Then, after shampooing, raking it. Oh, to remove that old lint.
No, it brings the fibers in.
Ah,
I make a checkered pattern. See?
oh. And then it will gonna be like that when it's dry?
Yeah, don't touch it.
Yeah, I'm not. Look at that. I see. It says the brush is to get the fiber out, so that's how it looks. That means when it dries, it's gonna be like that too. And now it's gonna put the blower so it will dry, and that's wet. We can put all this excess, the one bed, back there again. Look at that, it's full of fiber, you know? How long is gonna dry? One day?
Couple hours.
Oh, so it's still gonna be. And this is how it looks like now. Look at that. That's how it looks like. So this one is really here. This is the one he changed. Let's close this. This is the one he changed. Those like a casing in a door, and then the one on the sides. And he bought this table and chair, and that's the bunk bed. This is one of his daughter's room. So we got TV here, 2 speakers. I'm sure she has DVD somewhere. So, and that's it. This is kind of like a cabin vibes. See that? Because the woods, the floor, the woods it much. So that's it. And let's go to another room. And this is the second room. This is the one that he has a lot of job to do. Change that moldings, frame on the windows, and then the walls. This was blue and now he painted it pink. We bought 2 color pink. The first one is like, it's too pinkish, and then he bought a lighter one and painted over the first pink, and that's how it looks like. So that's cool. So painted the door, everything white and pink. This is a girly style. Then the table was here already, and he bought this chair like the other one in the other room. So that's it. Looks amazing. So it's so pinkish. Diba? Ciao.